What's up, guys? This is gonna be a quick unboxing and install video of the Lexteck headers. This is how the box came, and it was kind of open at the top, so I mean it was just a little piece of tape holding it on. So, but they're wrapped up, so it shouldn't be anything wrong with them. Won't be able to do a startup video until I get my ECU back from V-Cycle Nut. So I just want to install these real quick because I don't know if I'll have time to install them when the ECU gets back. So I'm not even sure if these are aftermarket or not. I'm gonna take the new ones out and see. I figured these were stock because whoever had it before, instead of doing full system, from what I can see, they just looks like they just cut and weld a slip-on, and I don't really know if I like this. You know, kind of looks like carbon fiber, kind of doesn't. I think I might put on my old pipe from the FZ-08, which is still here. Shouldn't be, but it's still here. Let me grab the slip-on that I'm putting on next. Alright, so here it is, the Voodoo, which pretty much makes your bike loud as crap. Now this pipe has seen better days. It was on the FZ-08 for about 2 years, so I think I might paint it, even paint over the Voodoo, paint it with some high temp black paint, kind of blend in down here. I don't know where it's gonna sit exactly, but hopefully it looks good, you know, against the stainless headers. I wanted some black headers, but settled for stainless this time, for just me being cheap. That's it. But I'm gonna take these out and compare them real quick and see if I even need to change them. All right, I'm back. I figured out it was just me. You just had to turn it a certain way, then it went on, and then yeah, so I'm just looking at, you know, this, and I got it kind of how it's gonna sit. So I like this so far. One thing I did notice, while they did send this bracket, which I'm not sure what it's for. I'm gonna have to get down there and see what it's for, because I couldn't find any videos on this specific setup for this bike. But you see here we got space for exhaust, the header springs. There's no springs. There's another one down there, and there's no springs. So I can't believe they sent the headers with no springs. And the website I ordered from was JP Auto something, JP Cycle, I believe that's it, JP Cycle. And it didn't say I have a bad habit of not reading stuff, so but I'll double check online and see if it was supposed to come with some. But I might end up having to order some or take them off the FZ, because FZ has at FZ I ordered Black Widow headers, and that came with the sealant as well as the springs. But this box was open, so who knows what this box has been through, you know. And the box definitely looks like it's been sitting for a while. Definitely looks like it's been sitting for, and then it's open in two places where if they had a small package of header springs, they could have just fell right out. So I can at least put the headers on and then save the mid pipe for when I get springs, but I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to do that. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to put the springs on with once I install the headers. I'll figure it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and get to the install and see if I can at least get this part on and then save that part. And also, I don't know if this O2 sensor is bigger than stock. I can't tell. I hope that O2 sensor screws into there. First of all, I hope I can get it off, because I had a lot of trouble getting it off the FZ-8. So yeah, and I'm doing this by myself this time. I had help last time, so we're gonna see how this goes. All right, I'll see you in a second. All right, got them off. Everything came off really easy. Didn't have any issues. I don't think I'll have any issues putting them back on either, because they seem to be, well, they come already as one piece right here, unlike the FZ-8 headers that come in pieces, like right here. These three the pipes, they come in pieces. And so you not only have to line them up with each cylinder, you have to line them up down here. So we just had to figure it out. It took us over an hour to figure it out. But O2 sensor, got that out. Got that in. I'll just have to torque it down when I get it on here. I'm gonna end up taking the springs from the FZ-08. Hopefully they're long enough. Actually, they look like they're too short, but we're gonna find out. Oh, otherwise I'm gonna have to order some, you know, measure that distance and then order some. But you see that slip-on is huge, but it keeps the noise down. We're gonna see how this system does. I'm probably gonna bolt it up with this front half first because I don't have anybody to hold the back half. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it up. All right, got the first half on. It was a pain. As you see, it's still kind of moving. You gotta like move it backwards and forth. Oops, sorry. To get the screws to move, like it's not a perfect fit. But it's close. It's close, and like you see there, it's took a lot of play out of there. Now, I'm not sure if I want to introduce some that play back. Let's see. This it's fitting in there. It's fitting in there okay. I just hope I don't have an issue getting that mid pipe on. Let me get down here so we can see. Yeah, next time I'm not doing this in the tight spot. All right, so that's the pipe. That's the amount of clearance you have, top and bottom, and it's pretty cool seeing up in there, seeing those 3 pipes. It almost makes it look like it's something else. But yeah, it's good clearance on around. I'm not gonna be able to get to that. I'm probably gonna have to hook the spring on that side and then pull it to the back. I should have thought about that, but I make it do with what I have. So, all right, gotta hurry up. The sky's getting pretty gray, and it was thundering a little bit earlier, just rumbling a little bit. And so let's get I really just need to get the mid piece on. I'm not worried about the slip on because I still have to get a clamp for that. So let me go ahead and get this see if I can get this mid piece on before I tighten this down fully, and then go ahead and get on in the house. All right, that was easy. Turns out the whatever bracket is right there. Once you take that out, that's where the little loop-de-loop sits, which looks awesome, I might add. I think I can get the springs on. I only need one. Well, no, I need two. The bottom one is pretty easy to get to, but that top one is gonna be a pain, but I can get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up these front bolts. And I need to hurry up because not only does it look like it's gonna rain, but the GoPro's dying. So go ahead and tighten these up. And while I'm here, I might as well do a test fit of the slip-on. Let's grab that real quick and see how it's gonna sit, because that is the highlight of this. Let's see, that's it right there. This is the slip-on from the FZ-08. So yeah, you guys don't know about the FZ-08 yet, but you will soon enough. But the FZ-08 lives on in the FZ-09, let's just say that. So let's grab that real quick and wrap this video up. It doesn't fit that little bend in there. So if there was a way to get that bend out, otherwise I'd have to mount it like that. And I don't know if I want flames shooting off on this, so could mount it like that. That's pretty cool. I guess if I'm gonna let me pick this up. If I'm going to paint this all black, it could stick out like that. That looks that actually looks kind of cool, I think. Let me know what you guys think if you made it this far. But I'm going to wrap this one up because I don't know how long this video is, and it might be too long. So this is it. This is how it's gonna look. The FZ-08 lives on in the FZ-09. Thanks for watching.